Welcome back, and now news from sports. Defending champion Salgaocar Sports Club played out a 1-1 draw with former champions Churchill Brothers in the I-League on Thursday. The match at Nehru Stadium proved to be a very entertaining affair as both teams created many scoring chances. Both the goals came in the second half.
This is one of the big local derbies in the I-League, and many football fans were looking forward to the meeting between Salgaocar and Churchill Brothers. The match promised to live up to the expectations as both teams played with a high tempo. There were plenty of goal-mouth action to savour. Salgaocar were the better team in the first half. The Green Brigade regularly attacked their rivals and were unlucky to have taken the lead in the 42nd minute. Churchill Brothers also had their moments and were denied the lead by Salgaocar goalkeeper just before the half-time interval. Churchill took the lead in the 50th minute through N.D. Opara. This set up the match as Salgaocar showed more urgency to get back into the game. Nigerian forward Ede Chidi once again denied by the framework as this rasping shot hit the top corner. But Chidi was lucky in his third attempt as he got this loopy header into the Churchill net for the precious equalizer. Churchill had a great chance to win the match late in the second half, but Salgaocar goalkeeper Karamjeet Singh deflected the ball to safety. Even Salgaocar could have earned full points, but Royji Suoka seemed to have gone down here too softly. Both coaches seemed to have settled for a point each as both teams deserved to get something out of the match. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
2014 National Games will be a sporting milestone for Goa, and the state is sure to put up its best performance on and off the field. Keeping the focus on the on-field events, the Sports Authority of Goa has brought the best of the coaches to the state to prepare the athletics contingent for the competition. Prudent takes a closer look at the athletics camp. This is the first part of the three-part new series on athletics coaching camp.
The main motive and purpose behind organizing this camp was that, they would get the best coaching facility, best training facilities with rest and recovery and proper diet, nutrition, etc. So we started off on the 15th of November, and it will go on till the 25th of November. And we have two coaches who have been called from, one is from Meerut, Mr. R.M. Oja, who is a retired coach from National Institute of Sports, Bangalore, and another coach who is from Army Sports Institute, Subedar Major Ajimon KS. They are very well-renowned coaches.
What's the overall approach that you take towards the beginners? How do you try and teach them, and how do you try and fire them up for the upcoming challenges?
Actually, my main aim is in this camp to teach the basics, so that they should improve further.
Yeah.
If they will correct the basics, then the chances of improvement is more.
Right.
Because most of the people, they are not knowing how to do the exercise and how to do the correct way of techniques and all those. Once they will learn it, definitely a lot of difference will come.
What do you make up of this camp and your interaction with the kids? So what have you told the kids to make them real good athletes in the future?
Definitely they can do in future, but they have to get regular practice. The small boys and girls, they are very talented, but they said that they didn't get any regular practice here. So in future, if they will do regular, they can give good performance, but they have to get this type of opportunity, atmosphere like this, infrastructure also. So in my opinion, it has to continue.
Okay. 10 days is not enough.
No, because they are going 2 days after they will go their own place. But before competition, they have to get minimum 2 or 3 months regular practice in any state level camp. They can do better in national level.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar from Kampal.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.